What's up, journeyers? It has been a doozy of a morning, to say the least. It is our last day here in old Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Smoky Mountain National Park, and we are going on a hike. It's our last hike. We are doing Chimney Top Trailhead. Looks pretty sweet. I'm pretty excited about this one. Be another great adventure to show you guys. So a little bit about my morning, really fun. I'll try not be too long. So we get to the park and our house that we're staying in, the cabin rental place, calls us and told us that doors were left open and the alarm went off. So I had to drive all the way back to go close the doors to then drive all the way back in. And this is like the first clear day, so it's just been super crazy busy. So that was really fun. So we're finally starting. It's 2 o'clock on our hike. It's 1.75 up, 1.75 back, so about a 3.5, 4 mile hike. Let's get into the beauty. Oh, Kelsey, you want to get in on the intro?
Walking up to the chimney top.
What a babe. I think we're all working. Erin the most, she's carrying 5 children. This is more strenuous than Alum, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
It's definitely a higher incline.
Steeper incline.
That's what I meant. Steeper incline. Sometimes the words don't come out when you're tired. So just know that. So that's the top of Chimney Top. Where is she at? She's right in there. They had a bad wildfire here a couple years ago, and it's completely destroyed the trail to the top. So it's actually closed. I went past the sign. And you can see, I wanted to see why it was so bad, and you can just see kind of the mayhem with just the different tree branches that have fallen down and stuff's burnt up, and this whole trail, it kind of goes in. You can kind of see the sign's like right there to go on up. The whole thing's just pretty much been leveled. So just know, if you're trying to get to the top, you most likely will not be able to, and it really is not safe to go to. So, but still a really cool hike, and the overlook shows you it. But you know, when they reopen this though, you'd be able to climb up to the top, which that's pretty sweet. So yeah, awesome hike. wrapping up another adventure, another journey. Thank you guys so much for coming along with us in the Smokies and Pigeon Forge and all the fun things that we got into. If you guys have not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on awesome videos that we have coming. Give us a big thumbs up on this video and comment below what your favorite part of this series was in the Smoky Mountains. If you guys haven't, make sure you head on over to our website. We'll put the link somewhere on the screen so you guys can go over to our website and get some of our awesome merch, or you can sign up for our blog post, our weekly newsletter, so you can kind of stay up to date with the journey. Had a blast showing you guys the Smokies. Can't wait until the next adventure, wherever we take you. But we thank all of you guys for coming along, and remember, you can create your own journey too. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.